The amount of people that are looking for HEI or home investment loans is absolutely exploding right now. And that's because HEI companies are offering cash today using your home equity with no monthly payments. But when you look at an HEI and compare it to a home equity line of credit, a HELOC, or a home equity loan, also known as a HELOAN, what those HEI ads are leaving out is that having a $0 monthly payment could actually end up costing you a lot more down the road. And in this video, I'm going to show you some example HEI math and how it works so you can figure out or ballpark the true cost of taking an HEI. I'll also explain how a HELOC and a HELOAN work, and I'll share a real life example of one of my clients and why they ended up going with a HELOAN over the other two options. And to keep it short about my client story, they did end up saving about $2,100 a month. And the biggest thing for them was that they were locking in certainty with their home equity for them and their children's futures. My name's Darren Tsai. I'm a licensed mortgage broker from Southern California, and I help homeowners just like you make more educated decisions with your equity so you can build wealth. And a quick side note, I personally have a HELOC on my home, so I do understand how important it is for picking the right strategy when tapping into your home equity. All right, so enough about me. Let me give you a little backstory about my clients and why I'm making this video. They were looking for $200,000 to take out of their home. They had about $600,000 of equity. They wanted to use $100,000 of the $200,000 to pay off high interest debts. And then they needed to do some renovations to their home, and they wanted some emergency funds as well. And so, of course, when they heard about the HEI, they thought this is such a great cheat code. We can have no monthly payments and we can get $200,000. And that's probably what you're thinking too. But before you make any sort of decision, let's walk through the HEI math and let's compare it to a HELOC or HELOAN. So these HEI companies, they will give you that $200,000 that you needed today and you have no monthly payments. This sounds amazing. But here's how they actually make their profit. We're going to use example numbers very similar to my clients. So we're going to say a $1 million home, and we're going to say it appreciates around 4% a year. And we're going to look at this over 20 years. So the HEI company will apply a 25% baseline haircut to your home's starting value. So in this example, the baseline would be $750,000 as the starting value, not the million. And then at the end of 20 years, or when you sell or refinance, the HEI company is going to take 25%. That number could actually be higher, depending on your specific scenario, of the appreciation, so the increased value of your home, above that discounted baseline value. And there's going to be some upfront fees, probably around 4%. So in this specific example, we are saying this $1 million home for 20 years grew at 4%, and it's at a value of $2.2 million roughly. And so the appreciation on that is about $1.4 million over the 20 years. And the HEI company is going to take 25% of that appreciation, which comes out to around $360,000. So the total payback at the end of this would be $560,000 roughly, right? You have your 200K loan plus the 360 in appreciation. And so the HEI probably works pretty well in markets that don't appreciate a ton. But if you're in California, then this product is going to cost you a lot to use because we have very high appreciation. Now, let's compare this to a HELOC or home equity line of credit. So most people have heard of a HELOC, but they might not know exactly how it works. The easiest way to describe it is a HELOC is a line of credit against your house. So it's going to work similar to a credit card. You get this revolving line of credit. Let's say your HELOC is $200,000, and you can draw cash from that $200,000 line of credit as needed. But there is usually an initial draw period, meaning you're only going to be able to draw from this HELOC for 3 years, 5 years, 10 years, depending on the terms of your HELOC. And the other thing to note is that a lot of these HELOCs, you're only paying interest in that initial draw period. So you're not actually paying down your loan balance as well. And going back to my client story, we explored getting a HELOC, but the first is that most HELOCs are variable rate. So HELOC interest rates are typically tied to the prime rate plus some margin. So for example, let's say the prime rate right now is around 6.75, and then you're going to have some margin. That margin number can range from 0 to 3 or 4. So if your margin is at 3, then your interest rate would be 9.75%. But if interest rates go down, then your HELOC rate also goes down with it. And so this specific scenario where you have a variable rate personally affected me. We took a variable rate HELOC during COVID. So the rates were in the 3s and rates now are in the 6s and 7s. So our payment essentially doubled. And I mentioned this to my client and he said, absolutely not. We do not want to worry about that. That is not the scenario that we want. And another thing to be aware of, if you take a variable rate HELOC, is like I mentioned before, you're paying interest only on the amount that you drew from in your initial draw period. But after that draw period ends, your payments are going to change and you're going to be paying down the loan balance and the interest. So your payments are going to go up after a certain amount of time. And there are also fixed rate HELOCs now, but the interest rates on those are typically a little bit higher. So you could get a HELOC that has fixed rates. I think that's a great option because it gives you access to capital and you still know what your payments are going to be. But if the HELOC scares you, kind of like it did for my client, the last option is the fixed home equity loan. So this is a second mortgage. It doesn't touch your first mortgage. So if you have a super low rate, you get to keep that. But then this basically just gives you cash at a fixed payment similar to your first mortgage if you have a fixed rate mortgage. So in my client scenario, I'm going to give you some ballpark numbers to help illustrate what we did using the HELOAN. They had home value of around $1 million. They had about $600,000 in equity and their first mortgage had a 2.5% interest rate. So they did not want to touch that first mortgage, which I totally agree with. But they had some family issues where the husband had to start taking care of other family members. Life happens. And so they ended up accruing about $100,000 in high interest debt between personal loans, credit cards. They were just doing what they needed to do to help family and to survive, which we can all understand. And their monthly payments were around $3,600. On top of eliminating that $100,000 of high interest debt, they wanted around $100,000 for emergency reserves and home renovations. And so they actually started the process with an HEI and they felt kind of weird about it. They felt like they weren't sure how much it was really going to cost them. This is their forever home. They're planning on staying in it for the foreseeable future. And then, hopefully their kids are inheriting it. So they were very concerned about how much equity the HEI would eat into. And when we explored the HELOC, the thought of their monthly payments going up was not an option, right? They didn't want this risk of their monthly debt payments increasing. So we decided to go with a HELOAN. This allowed them to keep their super low first mortgage interest rate. We didn't touch that. And they ended up getting a $200,000 HELOAN and an 8.125 interest rate. And the monthly payment was just under $1,500 a month. So the big wins here for them were that they eliminated the $100,000 of high interest debt and we reduced their monthly payment of $3,600 down to about $1,500. So they were increasing their monthly cash flow by $2,100. And now they had an additional $100,000 for their renovations and emergency funds. And keep in mind, their HELOAN was a fixed rate over 30 years, and they knew that this number would not change. But the biggest reason they did this was that this gave them some relief and they were able to sleep better at night. And I follow a lot of financial planners, and a lot of them say don't replace your debt with other debt. And I would agree in most scenarios. But sometimes it does make sense to replace your super high interest debt that you can't pay down the balances with something more manageable that will help you get your credit back on track and let you live more comfortably every month. And in our decision-making process for this, we did a quick comparison of what an HEI would cost compared to their HELOAN. And so, the monthly payment obviously is $0 on the home equity investment, and their payment was just under $1,500 a month for their HELOAN. So they would have got $3,600 a month in increased cash flow with the HEI. They're getting about $2,100 with the HELOAN. And so I'm using 20 years to compare these two as well, because that's kind of the timeline they think they're going to be staying in that house. But at the end of 20 years, the HEI would have cost them around $570,000, whereas the HELOAN would be around $486,000. When we compared those two costs, it's about $82,000 over the 20 years. And this was really important to them because that $82,000 in equity would be going to their kids. And so there's a lot more uncertainty with that cost of the HEI. And for them, they just wanted clarity on what the numbers would look like so they could budget correctly. And it'd be really clear for their family and their kids when they inherit the home what their equity position would be. And so keep in mind, the HEI numbers in this video are examples. Those numbers are going to change quite a bit depending on your specific scenario. When I've talked to some of these HEI companies, they say that the shared appreciation amount goes from 25% up to around 60%, depending on the loan amount that you take up front. And I'm not saying don't use that product because everyone's situation is different. Like I said in the beginning of the video, I'm here to educate you on your options so you can make the most educated decision for you and your family. Now, in my client scenario, the numbers were pretty close to the actuals, but for them, it was a no-brainer because they were gaining $2,100 a month while protecting the equity in their home, and they live in a very high appreciation area. So obviously, they were concerned about the long-term wealth building in that equity. And so if you're thinking about tapping into your equity and you're having trouble deciding between an HEI, HELOC, or HELOAN, feel free to email me, Darren@realdarrensci.com. We can have a no pressure conversation about your specific scenario. As always, thanks for watching my videos, and I'd really appreciate it if you dropped a comment letting me know if this video helped you or not. All right, I'll see you on the next one.